Alrighty, objective number 4, saving Excel data in other file formats. Some of you might have done that previously in Word, so it should be relatively familiar to some of us. If not, it's a great refresher. Okay. By default, Excel files are saved in the Excel workbook format of XLSX extension, which is a set of characters that helps your Windows operating system understand what kind of information is in a file. Basically, I look at it as an extension as a family name. So anybody who's of the XLSX family, you guys go in this house and do everything this way. So that's kind of the way I look at it. So a little bit of reading for you guys as usual. And now we're going to go down to activity 5.11. Viewing and saving a workbook as a web page. Before you save a workbook as a web page, it's a good idea to view it as a web page, make sure it looks okay. Kind of makes sense to me. And when you're saving a multi-page workbook, all the worksheets are available and can be accessed. Okay, good enough. So open up 5A class schedule that we created in 5A. Then we're going to save it as a oh, that's right. We have to do this really carefully. I completely forgot about this stuff. So I'm slowing down now. So first of all, the file I need to work with is this guy here. Now, once I've opened it up, I'm going to go to File, Save As. I'm going to select the Browse button, and then I'm going to go to the Save As type arrow and select Web Page. File, Save As. No shortcuts for me for today. Browse. And there we go. We are so used to going up here and doing a lot of changes, we want to stay in this dialog box. Now in here, save as what kind of file? It's going to be a web page. We're just that simple, eh? Somewhere in here is a web page. There you go. Now the file no longer displays in the dialog box because only files with the type web page are visible. So it kind of makes sense. So once we changed it, then we're going to make some more options. Make more choices and options below. So in the lower portion of the dialog box, we're going to select Change Title. Change Title, staying completely in here. Change Title. What do we want to call it? Okay. So the title of the page, it's a whole workbook. Every single sheet, there is only a page, but there was more than one page. We have to identify or give each page a name. So this one we are going to be calling, it something. Okay, computer courses last name, first name. All right, that's what they want. They shall get that. So, computer courses, last name, first name. Get rid of the extra space. And okay, so the page that we have open or active, that's gonna now has got a name. And we have to be careful to go and know where to look at it, not for it, but at it. And we compared our screen. We clicked on the OK button, and back in the page title box, my text appears. Let's make sure. Yep. Schedule. That's all there. Workbook. Page title. Computer. Course is last name, first name. Yep, we're good. You publish. Okay, sorry. Save as and publish. I have to be very careful about this. Save as and publish. Not saying anything yet. In the publish as okay, publish as web page dialog box, we're going to grab the choose arrow, and we've got the choices. And we're going to grab items on computer classes to select the computer classes sheet. All right. So, and open publish web page in a browser. That's a lot of things I want to grab. So what I'm going to do is just do a quickie screenshot so I don't lose any of the essence of this information here. Okay. And if we need to, now we know what it looks like here. Let's go give it a go ourselves, shall we? Enter text. Done. Save as. We publish. In the publish as web page dialog box, we're going to choose what? Items on a computer. Well, that's what it is. Right there. Previously published entire workbook, range of cells or items on computer classes. The name that we gave it. Computer class sheet. Lower left, we're going to select the Open Published Web Page Browser checkbox. It's almost like when you have a PDF. You remember that? Open Published, do they want it checked or not checked? Yep. Just make sure. Yes. Check mark is here. Items is here. Sheet is here. Title and file. We know where everything is, right? Yes. File name. Open. We're good, I think. Let's give it a go. Sheet. Item. Yeah. Go big or go home. Publish. It would be really good if I actually clicked on the button. Well, which app would you like to open this file with? Let's go Firefox. Why not? Just this one. And look at this. It's now a web page. Woohoo! Not bad at all. Back to our vital source. Get out of here and get out of here. See? We've got that. We browse, we publish as, we navigated to, no we didn't, we're going to lie about it. And in the file name, we're going to use last name, first name, schedule web page. Copy. So many things to do, eh? Save as. Browse. I'm going to let them call it whatever they like. Last name, first name, 5A, scheduled web page. I'll put my initials on the end. And save. Whoops. Let's save it to web page. File. Save as. Do this again. Browse. I'm going to have a lot of copies of this. Save as. Web page. Entire. Make sure I've not missed anything. Nope. Pretty darn safe. Save as. Okay. Yes, I know that I might lose some of my features. I'm okay with that. Okay. We've already looked at it. I may be kind of skipping a little step there. The web page is saved in my folder. The class schedule file opens the default internet browser. We did that. And the browser tab displayed that. We did that. Let's go see just to make sure we're doing everything right. Okay, schedule 3:59. All right. Then I'm gonna have to put you on hold. I'm gonna run downstairs and get my charger. Let's have a look. Computer courses is here. Computer, well, look at that. Computer courses, last name, first name. Computer course, last name, first name. And I'm still doing my recording for you guys. Okay. I'm going to put you guys on hold. And we're back again. 10:49. Beautiful. I've got power and I don't have to fear my laptop dying on me. Excuse me. So, back to my email. We got that done. When will we use it? Probably pretty rarely, but it's there anyway. Activity 5.12, saving Excel data in a CSV file format. And CSV is a comma separated values. I was taught comma separated variable, but they call it comma separated value. Same difference. And it saves the file in the cells by placing a comma between and an end of paragraph mark at the end of each row. So it's purely raw data. So with the 5A class schedule open, all right, we're going to do the same kind of thing. I have that open. Yes, I do. I'm going to go File, Save As, CSV, last name, first name, CSV. Yes, I'm kind of cheating here, guys. And is there anything special? Nope. File, Save As. What kind is it? Browse. We don't necessarily need to do the browse. Excuse me, but we're going to do it anyway. Save as. There's a couple of different CSVs, but the one we want is this guy. Comma delimited. CSV. Is there anything else? Pretty sure that's it. Let's just double check. Yes, it is. Now there's so many different CSVs. But and save. Dash DJY and save we do. Good enough, and good enough. Now it's saving as an Excel as a PDF. There seems to be a bit of a theme here, guys. A wee bit of a theme. So you can create portable documents to share across applications. We all know about the PDF. What does a PDF stand for? Hopefully somewhere in the explanation or the definition, they'll tell you what a PDF actually stands for. What the definition of it or the initials represent. And there they are, portable document format. We already know about that. So we're going to open up class schedule, file save as, browse, same routine, PDF, all the way down here, and save as. It's actually getting pretty easy. I can do this all day, every day. Alrighty, file, save as, do this, and paste. I know for a fact now I'm going to have to put my initials on the end, and the type is going to be a PDF. And if you remember when we looked at the picture, it's way down here somewhere. Plain PDF, nothing special, just that. And save. Yeah. Remember we did that with the web page? It automatically opened up the PDF for you. It did that, and because you can just close this puppy right off. We're good. Adobe Acrobat, I use it. It works for me just fine. Save it. We've opened it. We've looked it. We've closed off. Close that off. And now we're good. So now we've closed the optional portions of this project. Now they tell me it's optional. All right.